Welcome back to a brand new episode of Mastering Programming. In today's episode, I'm doing things a little bit differently. I will be unboxing the 21.5 4K iMac display. It's the 2019 one, so it's the newest one on the market. And without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome back, guys. So as you can see, I'm actually really excited. So I'm gonna not talk too much and straight away start by unboxing the outer box. So we already opened that, and straight away it unboxes the other side. So let me just move it, and as you can see, it's the beautiful box by Apple. Everything they make is just really colorful, really amazing. And straight away we have a very easy way. I've seen like 500 unboxing videos, so I know exactly what to do. We start by pulling the string, and I'm just gonna throw this anyway, and it's gonna open facing the person straight away. They put a lot of thought into how to open this. So the first thing we get is the keyboard and the mouse in the accessory kit, and I'll just be keeping that near me, and I'll be coming back to that in just a second. Let's remove the top. Wow. And we get the cable. This is all you need to power it up. All very simple stuff. And oh my god, I'm sweating from how beautiful this is. So you need to actually lift this up. And it's actually very thin. I'm gonna push this to the right. Now let me just make sure I move this around. Oh my god. Look how thin and beautiful it looks like. And again, the second part. And now for that part you've been waiting for. All I need to do is just some plastic that I'll be removing from the back. And by the way, the reason why I'm doing this unboxing is because I'll be using this device on this channel and other programming projects, so I thought I would share that with you. Anyway, let's go ahead. It just looks amazing. I have no words to describe what I'm looking at. Wow. Look how thin. Let me just move it around so you can realize how thin this is. And I'll move it back. And we'll start by removing the plastic, which is the last thing we're going to be removing. And we just push this down like this. Wow. Welcome back, guys. So all we have left is now just the cable, which is pretty easy and nothing significant about it. So I'm not going to be unboxing that, but I will be unboxing the accessory kit. So let's go ahead and see how we can do that, because it honestly just looks like a slab of cardboard. And here we go. Very easy to do. And the first thing we're going to get is the Magic Mouse 2. Obviously, typical Apple polished product. I'm going to be leaving that right here. And then we get the keyboard, which is everything in this box is just so much more thin than you think. And let's just remove this by not breaking it. And there we go. We have the keyboard and the back. Oh wow, the back is actually made out of a really cool material. Okay, so we're gonna keep this that way. And obviously that's not it. We get some paperwork. Sorry for hitting the camera. And let's see what's inside of here. So first of all, we get a charging cable for the mouse and the keyboard, because you actually charge the mouse from the bottom. And I think it was something like on a full charge, this will go for a whole month. So it's actually pretty good. And we get some paperwork. So let's check out what we get. We get, the manual and stuff, things I'm not going to read. And the stickers for, the Apple Pride. And then, this is something I'm actually interested about. You get a cloth to actually wipe your Mac. Really cool. Really good material. So before I wrap things up, I just wanted to include 3 different photos of the iMac, and as you can see, it's a beautiful screen. And other than that, have a good day, and please remember to subscribe to this channel.